Yeah, very good. Harish joined
Good
first.
evening,
Good.
ma'am.
Good evening, Harish. Good evening. Yes, Harish, did we complete it other day the linear equations? Any
Yes, ma'am.
topics are less?
No,
No
ma'am.
topics are left, right? Everything was done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did Sriram join? Sriram? Sriram, are you there in the classroom? Yes, sir, no.
He is there, ma'am. I just checked in.
Okay. Okay, let me go with the. Yes. What is our third chapter, children?
Quadrilaterals.
Yes, understanding quadrilaterals. What is
Okay.
the meaning of quadrilateral?
What, ma'am?
How you can define quadrilateral?
Four-sided figures.
Yes, yes. Can you repeat?
Four-sided figures. Quadrilateral means.
Four-sided polygons. Very
Yes.
good. It's four-sided
And
polygons. Very good.
closed polygons.
Yeah, it is a closed polygon.
Okay.
It's a simple closed curve bounded by four line segments. Yes, very good. Yeah, right. See, there are few polygons here. Is simple closed curves made by only line segments. So how many line segment? The first figure is 1, 2,
Four.
3, 4. Can we take this as a quadrilateral?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you see the second figure. How many sides?
Four.
1, 2, 3, 4. Four-sided polygon, right? It's a quadrilateral. This one,
Four, ma'am.
four sides. Yes, it is a polygon. Is this a polygon?
No, ma'am. It should be closed.
It should be closed and it should not be overlapped too.
Over. Okay, ma'am.
It should not be overlapped too. So this is closed only, but it is what happened here. It is overlapping. Yeah, it's overlapping.
Okay, ma'am.
This one is last one. It's not a closed figure
Closed figure.
because it's open figure. It's open figure. So we cannot say this as a polygon. So 1, 2, 3 are the first three figures are the polygons, and 4, 5, 6 these are not polygons. Now here are some convex polygons and concave polygons. There is a much difference between convex and concave, children. Convex polygon and concave polygon. Can you see here there are two types of figures noticed here. There is an octagon. This is, I think, octagon, six-sided polygon. Sorry, it's a six-sided hexagon. This is how many? Four-sided polygon, quadrilateral. This is also four-sided polygon, which is the name as what is the name of this figure, children? Of course, it is a hexagon. What is this?
Yes, ma'am, it's a hexagon.
This one, this one.
One plane, sir.
It's a quadrilateral, of course, because four sides are there. Any particular name for this figure?
No, ma'am.
Trapezium.
Trapezium.
It's trapezium. What is this?
Ma'am, it's a rectangle.
Rectangle,
Very
ma'am.
good. This one?
Ma'am, that ma'am, it's
Parallelogram.
parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Very good.
Parallelogram.
It's parallelogram. What about this name of this polygon?
Octagon.
Octagon.
Octagon, because it's an eight-sided polygon. The name is octagon. Very good. And these, if you see the second one, there are set of figures here. In figure 3.1, few are left side, few are right side. If you see the right side figures, which are closed, which are these figures also bounded by line segments. Yes, can be four-sided polygon. Yes, this is, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Septagon. Yes, septagon or heptagon. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentagon.
Pentagon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also hexagon.
Hexagon.
What is the difference between the left side figures and right side figures?
And convex polygons bulge out and concave polygons bulge in.
Shapes, ma'am.
Convex polygons bulge out and concave polygons bulge in. Okay, that's 1 point. Very good. And any other notice you are doing?
And shapes.
Yes, can you please repeat? What is the other notice? Please see this and let me
Ma'am,
know.
shapes are not same.
That's okay. So shapes anywhere not same, but everything is formed by line segments. That's okay. One of my students said, "Ma'am, all sides are bulged out in polygons towards left side and polygons towards right side. It's inside. It bulges inside, right?" Any other notice you can see, please?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, two of the at least two or one pair of lines, line segments is equal in concave polygons.
What? Repeat.
Ma'am, at least one pair of line segments are equal in concave polygons.
No, sorry, beta. It's not like that.
Ma'am,
Please
the
think about
different
it.
have the different number of lines.
Okay, that's about lines is different. Line segments we are, yeah.
Convex have no diagonals.
Ma'am,
Huh?
convex polygons. Right, ma'am.
Diagonals are interior, diagonals are exterior. Can we note that point? Anyway, you opened as diagonal word. So can we say where in which polygons diagonals are interior?
Interior.
Interior.
Ma'am, concave polygons always have even number of sides, whereas convex polygons can also have odd number of sides. Ma'am. Ma'am, the diagonals in the concave polygons are exterior.
Yes, Hari, what's
And
the points?
the diagonals in concave polygons are exterior, whereas
Very
in
good,
convex
very good.
polygons they are never exterior. The diagonals.
Excellent, very good. Any other points you noticed, please?
Ma'am, we have particular name of left side ones, ma'am.
That's okay. Left side one we have a particular, even this is also we can call it as pentagon, quadrilateral. Yes, that's not an issue, beta. Well, particularly the properties, any properties are changing here, please think about this. I want that. As a student said, that convex polygon sides or bulges out, it's in it bulges inside. Okay, that's first point. Second point is diagonals are exterior for concave, and whereas convex diagonals are interior. Very good. Yes. Any other notice about angles you see? About angles you see, one of the angle is anywhere you noticed more than 90.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
And concave polygons.
Ma'am, can you say again, ma'am?
Yeah, about angles. You see, tell about angles. You can see convex polygons all are acute angles. Yeah. Yes or no? 90
But
or 90
rectangle,
below.
ma'am.
90 or 90 below. What
Rectangle.
about concave polygons?
First one is less than 90.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, you see, can you please find what are the differences between these concave and convex? There are major three differences, children.
Ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, the sides are equal, ma'am, in
Oh,
left
it's about sides. Don't worry, ma. Don't worry about sides.
Okay, ma'am.
You please study further and let me know the points about concave and convex differences between concave mirror and convex mirrors you have in your physics also.
Yes, ma'am, light chapter.
That's based on that point only. He said one of the point from concave and convex. Convex means bulges outside. Concave means
Bulges
inside.
inside. Convex mirrors, concave mirrors, very important, children. Please interlink with this concept with your physics too, because there are lots of yes. Let me go with the detailed part, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Directly exercise is given. They did not give much about it. Let me go with a few examples, ma. I'm going to take from the figures like any rectangle or whatever. Taking this figure, not only this. I'm taking another figure like okay, I'm taking line and I can so that I can draw. This is four-sided first one. This is 5-sided polygon. What is how many sides? Not 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 4-sided polygon. This is 6-sided polygon. Yes or no? Yes, is it polygons or not?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what do you know
Yes, ma'am,
about
they are.
diagonals? Yes. What is diagonals? What are diagonals? Suppose the figure, if you take a rectangle, yes, rectangle ABCD, rectangle ABCD. So what are diagonals, children? If I connect the opposite vertices, if I connect opposite, what are opposite vertices here?
A and A and C.
And very good. A and C is a diagonal. If you connect the opposite vertices, you will get diagonals. Very good. This is A and C is one diagonal. And
B,
what about another diagonal?
B and D.
B and D is another diagonal. Hope you understood, children. What are these? Opposite vertices. If you are connecting a line passes through opposite, which makes you diagonal, which gives you diagonal. Yes or no? There are
Yes.
two diagonals. Same way, if you see, or else what is the other definition? Non-adjacent vertices you are connecting. Non-adjacent vertices, adjacent means side by side. Non-adjacent means not side by side. Let me go with another example. Suppose this is A, B, C, D, E, F. In what way I can draw here the diagonals? Can I draw diagonals here like F and D? Can we make it as F and D as a diagonal? Because I can connect, yes or no? These are non-adjacent vertices. Yes or no? Hari Karthik is there in the classroom.
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Can we, because these are non-adjacent vertices. Yes or no?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
we draw diagonals like that?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Can I connect even this also, right? AC. Because AC is this is also. Now you see differences between the first figure and the second figure. If you find diagonals are interior in this first figure, if you see the diagonals may be interior or
Exterior.
exterior. That is the difference between convex polygon and concave polygon. This is first point, Nana. Please remember what is the first point. Convex polygons, diagonals are interior.
Area, but
There are two types of polygons.
and
Convex polygons. Convex polygons. Diagonals are interior. What is convex or concave polygons? Cave. Caves, like it's like a cave. You can see it's like a cave. Concave polygon. Diagonals are
exterior and
interior as well as exterior. Exterior as well as interior. Maybe that's non-factor. That's okay. And any other differences we can? Yes, please. One point we discussed. Yes, that's Harikarthik said, ma'am, it's bulges out and that's okay. It bulges interior, it bulges exterior, outside and it's inside. That's why convex mirrors and concave mirrors are differently. Why the properties you just connect with maths topic too, so you can easily understood the part.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, please. If you tell only, we will go ahead, or else I cannot.
Ma'am,
Yes.
did you ask something?
Yeah, I'm asking about what is another difference between convex and concave. Please observe the angles too.
Ma'am, in concave.
Hmm.
No.
Concave polygon angles, please observe carefully. One interior angle is greater than 180 degrees. Can you notice where it is more than 180 degrees?
B.
Interior angle. See, the more important, children, you need to observe the figures very carefully. Suppose interior angles. Interior means these all are interior, yes or no? Inside angles, we call it as interior angles. About this, if you see the angles, this is one angle, this is another angle, this is one more angle, this is also one more.
One more.
Now, can we take this as well? So, one more angle?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes or no?
Ma'am, yes, sir.
What about this angle? You can observe the all angles are less than 180. Can you see this is
that is reflex angle, ma'am.
very good, very good. One of the angle should be more than one interior angle is greater than 180 degrees. That's a reflex angle. Very good. Very good. Who said this point?
Harish, ma'am.
Harish, very good, Harish. That's the major difference between convex and concave. That's all. I want to convey these 2 points. So that's about polygons. Hari Karthik, did you understood? Hari Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Hari Karthik is there in the classroom.
Yes, ma'am. I am.
Can we say this is one angle is greater than 180 degrees?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we can?
E is 180 degrees.
B is more than 180.
Okay, ma'am.
One angle is more than reflex angle in concave polygons. In convex polygons, maybe it is less than 180.
And there could be one or more than one in concave polygons, right?
One interior angle, only one interior, not all.
No, there could be more. Like if there are two like two sides which are bulging in.
That's why. Yes. Suppose the same part, if you extend like that, yes, very good. Yeah. So then, what is the general definition? Concave polygon has at least one interior angle. At least, at most, maybe 2 or 3 also. We are not sure about it. Okay, as you said, at least one interior angle is greater than 180. That point also you have to write, Nana. Concave polygon, at least one angle is, second point, at least one interior angle greater than 180. One interior angle greater than
180.
180 degrees. Or you can say reflex also. So, at least means maybe it is 2, maybe it is 3, maybe it is 4. But we are at least one should be present.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Can we move to the next part, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the major difference between convex and concave?
Ma'am, in convex, it is not greater than, angles are not greater than 180.
Very good.
In concave,
Diagonals are interior in convex. Diagonals are exterior in concave.
concave. And in
Yes.
concave,
Maybe they will definitely ask the basic question, children, differences between convex polygons and concave polygons. And you have to draw any two rough sketches for each kind.
Okay,
Can
ma'am.
you please draw not only this, you can draw more another two rough sketches about concave and convex. Try in your book. Try in
Okay.
your book.
Okay, ma'am.
Now the next point, regular and irregular polygons. Regular and irregular polygons. What are regular? The word we already heard, children, from lower classes. What are regular?
Which means like same.
Equal.
If
Yes.
all sides and angles,
Equal
if
it is.
all sides and angles are equal, then we can call it as a regular
Regular.
polygon.
Like
What
regular.
is irregular?
Ma'am, the
Maybe sides can
polygons
be
which
length
are
of-
not equal to another one are known
Yes,
as.
length and angles may not equal measure. May
Yes.
not equal measure in irregular polygons.
Polygon.
Yes, there are few regular polygons. Can you please see this and name these figures? What is this? Because all three angles are equal, three sides are equal. What is this triangle name?
Equilateral
triangle.
Yes, so what is another regular polygon?
Square.
Quadrilateral
Square
square. Because all angles are 90 degrees, each side
are
is equal.
same.
Pentagon.
Yes.
Pentagon.
Regular pentagon.
Pentagon.
Word you can use as a regular pentagon.
Okay, ma'am.
Regular hexagon. Next one.
Yes, regular polygon, regular pentagon. Very good. Each angle also equal, each side is equal. Next, regular hexagon. The word you can keep as a regular. Yes, ma'am.
And next one is right angle triangle. But
So that's not a regular. That's not a
Irregular.
regular. Why? Because
Ma'am, why,
other
ma'am?
two angles. This figure is not a regular. Why? Because
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All sides are not 90 degrees.
I'm just creating right angle triangle.
angles are not same. Even sides are also not same.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe it is wrong. Is it?
Yes, ma'am. It is regular. Rectangle.
Wait.
Triangle.
All sides are equal here.
Angles are equal.
Yes, ma'am. They
Okay,
are.
who is that? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Sriram.
Sriram,
Ma'am.
see the angles are equal, sides are equal.
Yes.
No, ma'am. The angles.
Not equal. Angles only
Both should be equal. Both should
Okay,
be
ma'am.
equal.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it a regular polygon or not?
No, ma'am. It's not regular.
It's not a regular, so it's an irregular polygon. Now go to this.
No, ma'am.
This is also because this length is more, this length is less. By looking only, you can say this is not regular polygons.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in few figures, they can mention like that children are this way or this way. This indicates this length of these line segments are same. The length of the line segments are equal in measure. Equal in measure. Now coming to the exercise part. Before coming to exercise part, in previous classes, you come across many quadrilaterals that are equilateral but not equiangular. Like equilateral but not equiangular. Recall the quadrilateral shape you saw in earlier classes: rectangle, square, rhombus, etc. Is there a triangle that equilateral but not equiangular?
What, ma'am?
Any triangle that is equilateral but not equiangular?
Ma'am, no, it can't happen because if all the sides of a triangle are equal, then all the angles should also be equal. And it also applies for every polygon.
Ma'am,
If
the
the sides
Very
are
good.
equal, angles should be equal.
This question, how they can ask you? Triangle that has equilateral but not equiangular. Justify this statement. How you can justify the statement?
Ma'am, it can't be an equilateral triangle always as its angles are 65 degrees. I mean, 60 degrees.
Yes. In equilateral triangle, angles are equal as well as sides are equal.
Ma'am, it also applies for every polygon, right? If all the sides of a polygon are equal, the angle should also be equal, right?
Yes, that's a regular. That's a regular.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose if you see, for example, like a rectangle. Take rectangle, what equiangular figure? That's an equiangular. Yes or no? All angles are equal. Is it an equilateral?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it an equilateral rectangle?
What, ma'am?
Rectangle is an equilateral,
Ma'am, it is not equilateral.
but it is an equiangular figure.
Yeah. Ma'am, equilaterals should be equiangular, but it is not necessary for equiangulars to be equilateral.
Exactly true. Very good. Good. The statement have such a wonderful meaning, children. You can keenly observe the questions because the rationalized syllabus, we are not expecting what type of questions you can get in your examination. They can give more tough than earlier because earlier we have lots of exercise sums to do, but this year we doesn't have anything. They can ask you, is equilateral figure should be equiangular? Justify the statement, or equiangular figure must be equilateral, justify your answer. What is the justification? Give your example. How you can justify the question? An equilateral figure having angular, yes or no? It's an equiangular, like a equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon, regular octagon, regular decagon. These all sides are equal. So ultimately angles are equal. Of course, if a figure is an equiangular figure, is it necessary to be equilateral? Is it necessary to be equilateral?
No, ma'am.
No, because one example you can give as a rectangle. Of course, in rectangle, all angles are equal, but sides are not same. So it's not an equilateral, but it is an equiangular. Okay. That's
Okay, ma'am.
first, maybe go with question exercise first one, Nana. There are few figures given here. We classify each of them basis of the following. Simple curve. What are simple curves?
Curves which don't cross themselves, which don't overlap themselves.
Yeah, that's the first point. Okay. They're asking simple curve. That's very good. You said, ma'am, it's not overlapped. So that eighth one is not possible, and fourth one is not possible, and third one is also
Ma'am,
not
simple
possible.
curve. Ma'am, for simple curve, we can actually draw, no, ma'am, one small curve. That will be.
Any line also simple curve.
Oh, okay.
The line, one small line is also a curve.
Okay. I thought a curve was
Simple
like.
closed curve, which are simple closed curves.
Ma'am, what is a point? Is it a special one? A point? Is a point a circle?
Point is also a curve, beta. Point is also a no length, no width. It's a no dimensions.
Is it a
Point
circle?
is 0 dimensions.
Okay. Is it a circle?
Yes, obviously.
Okay.
With micro dots of radius. Now you see. What is curve? Curve definition you need to remember. Curve is without lifting a pen and pencil, you can draw any figure. This is curve. Suppose without lifting pen and pencil, you can draw any curve. You can draw any curve without lifting pen and pencil.
So we can actually make it a closed polygon, no, ma'am?
But now closed curve. What is closed curve?
Ma'am, it doesn't leave any space.
Yes, simple curve. That's a simple closed curve.
Ma'am, it doesn't overlap.
This is not possible. Okay, you can take these two examples.
And those are not closed curves though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's only, I'm asking about simple curve. I'm not asking about simple closed. I'm asking about simple curves. This is okay. What about simple closed curves?
Ma'am, closed curves don't overlap each other.
Closed curve, the starting point, end point meets at a, it should be meet, yes or no? Suppose this I started and I ended with. Is it a simple closed curve? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Without lifting pen and paper, starting point and ending point should be joined. That's nothing but a simple closed curve.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, what is the third classification given? Polygon. What is polygon? Difference between closed curve and polygon?
Ma'am, a simple closed curve made up of only line segments.
No, polygon. Polygon. Very
Yeah,
good.
a simple closed curve made up of only line segments.
Very good. That's why. Very good. Very good. Polygon is a simple closed curve bounded by line segments. In this case, there is no line segments here. We just draw a circle. Only line segments. A closed curve bounded by a line segments. Yes. A closed curve bounded by
Square,
line segments.
triangle, rectangle.
Trapezium. Yes.
And
You're eating sweets. What is the Yes, rhombus.
Rhombus.
These
Parallelogram.
are simple. Not only these four-sided. We take it as triangle also a kappa. Yes, triangle also a closed curve.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Minimum how many sides need to
Ma'am,
make
three,
a
ma'am.
polygon?
3, ma'am.
Ma'am, three.
Three. Which is the least sided polygon?
Triangle.
Ma'am,
Very
triangle.
good. What is the least sided property of a least sided polygon?
Least.
Why
But
bridges and
triangles are equal
electrical
to 180
towers?
degrees.
No, why bridges and electrical towers made up of only three-sided polygons?
Because they are the strongest.
Very good. Because it doesn't have any diagonal. You can see anywhere diagonal for triangle.
No, ma'am.
We can draw diagonal means how when we will draw diagonal.
Median.
Non-adjacent vertices. Non-adjacent vertices. Everything is adjacent here.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why the even pyramid, Gaza pyramid is still now 100 years, 1000 years, more than 1000. I don't know how many years it is, but still the structure is without disturbing. That's the question you may get. While how many sides least sided polygon? So 3 triangle. Why bridges and some electrical towers and some transformers only with the polygons with least sided polygon made up of least sided polygon? You can write because of it's what? Because of its strength and structure. Due to strength and structure, still pyramids are we can see without spoiling their structure. Yes. Now
Okay.
coming to the next part. Convex polygon, concave polygon. This part already we discussed. Now you have to see the figures. What are convex, what are concave in the above examples.
Ma'am,
First one.
concave is first one, ma'am.
First one.
Concave.
Very good. Second one.
Ma'am, second one, no, ma'am.
Second one, what type of polygon?
Ma'am, rhombus.
Of course, it's kite shape. Can we call it as convex polygon?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Third one.
Third one, it is closed figure, ma'am. Simple curve.
Fourth one.
Ma'am,
Fourth
it is
one.
concave. Concave polygon.
Is it a polygon? Is it a concave polygon or convex polygon?
Ma'am, concave.
whether it is polygon or not, first of all.
Ma'am, it is.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. No.
Ma'am, who
Simple
is
closed
correct?
curve bounded by line segments is polygon. Star, you can see the fourth figure.
Ma'am, it is
Please,
actually polygon, no, ma'am.
how you can say it's polygon?
Ma'am, because the sides are closed.
But overlapping
The
also there,
angles-
right?
Okay, ma'am.
Everywhere the overlapping happens, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to fifth one. It's a closed curve. Sixth one, also simple closed curve. Seventh one,
Seventh one.
is it a polygon first of all? Seventh one? No.
No, ma'am.
Why? Because the sides are the curves also here. Then what type of figure? It's a simple closed curve.
I think, ma'am.
Yes. Eighth figure.
Ma'am, it is not a polygon, ma'am.
Yes, it is not polygon, but what type of figure we can? Simple curve or simple closed curve? Or
Simple
complex curve?
Ma'am, simple closed
Is it
curve.
simple?
Ma'am, I think it is simple closed curve.
Simple
What
curve.
is the definition for simple closed curve?
They should meet at a point, starting point, and
Without overlapping, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
possible here in this case without lifting pen and paper? Can you draw the structure?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Very good. Okay. Then go with classify each of the following basis of the, that's okay. What are regular polygons? Three sides. State the name of the regular polygon with the three sides.
Equilateral triangle.
Yes, four sides.
Fourth one is four sides square, regular square.
Very good. Square. Six sides.
Regular hexagon.
Regular hexagon. That's all. This is one of the part, children. Just now we are only discussed about basic points. Now coming to the exercise, we have angle sum property. We know that in triangle, sum of all angles should be equal to 180 degrees. Same way, sum of measures of exterior angles of your polygon. Very, very important, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Does this apply to every polygon?
Which one, ma?
This exterior angle property, does it apply to every polygon?
No, it's four-sided quadrilateral, particularly the sum of measures in a external angles of this is apply only exterior angle property. In this case, we can anything, either pentagon or hexagon or octagon, whatever it may be.
This can be applied for any quadrilateral, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, very good, Nana. The exterior angle, especially exterior angle of your polygon, you see the figure. What are the exterior angles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you sum up, it should be equal to 360. Not only this is a pentagon, I think five-sided polygon pentagon. Suppose if you take as a octagon, all 8 sides, exterior angles, all 8 sides should be equal to 360. 360.
Okay, ma'am.
Not only, suppose let me take a triangle, a basic example I'm taking here, children, to convince you. This is the triangle. If I'm taking exterior angles to this, if I extend this figure like that, if I extend here to like that, and if I extend this, sum of all angles here, if you take The sum of all exterior angles should be equal to
360.
360. We have some property also, children. We are activity also we can do. We can cut all the exterior angles and place it in a paper, so it forms a circle. Circle means complete angle. It forms a circle, so it's a complete angle. That's
Now
one
what
property.
are you saying?
Now you see the example 1. There are 3 exterior angles is given: 90, 50, 110 degrees. You need to find out unknown, another 4th exterior angle. Can you please, using this property, can we find sum of exterior angles in a polygon should be equal to 360? Based on that, x plus 90 plus 50 plus 110 is equal to 360. So you have to add up and equate so that x value you are getting as 110. Now, what is the sum of the measures of exterior angles here? Can you please try this, ma? Do in your book. Please draw the figure, see the figure, what is there.
Okay, ma'am.
About regular hexagon is given here. Regular hexagon means all sides are equal, all angles are equal. Can I do on the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the sum of measures of its exterior angles x, y, z, p, q, r? Okay, let me draw the figure. How many side polygon, children, it is? How many sides polygon it is?
Sided polygon.
If you want angle P here, can we take it as 180 minus A? Because this is straight line. Straight angle is 180. If I want A angle, P angle, can I write it as 180 minus A?
Linear pair, ma'am. That's
Linear pair. Very good. Linear pair property. Same way here, A plus Z is 180. Z is equal to 180 minus A. Y plus A is 180. So
180.
Y is equal to 180 minus A. So
Yes,
Z x plus A is 180. X is equal to 180 minus A. Like that, if you sum up all exterior angles, what you will get, please find out and let me know, children.
okay, ma'am.
Is X equal to Y equal to Z equal to P equal to Q equal to R? Why they're asking the reason to? All these angles are also equal. Can we say this X, Y, Z and P, Q all are equal? Because this is a linear pair. Can we write it as everything as 180 minus A, 180 minus A, 180 minus A? Yes, we can say yes, it is equal. What is the measure of each exterior angle?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are we considering, like, for a quadrilateral, an angle should be less than 90 degrees, right?
Yes.
Exterior angle should be less than 90
Not
degrees.
less than 90, Hari Karthik. It's
I mean,
about
except for
exterior
triangle.
angles.
Yeah, ma'am,
1 minute, I will draw.
exterior
I will draw
angles.
the figure. Now,
Exterior
see.
angles. Exterior angles, except for triangles, all exterior angles should be less than 90, right? 90 or less than 90.
Yes.
Why
yes.
don't we take them as reflex angles? See, we are only taking one part, but we can
Yeah. You
no.
see, either cyclic way or non-cyclic way you can take. Yes, very good question asked by the child. What he is asking, you see, children, let me draw the figure. Ma'am, if you are taking a triangle here, if I'm taking a triangle, so see how triangle is forming, Hari Karthik. How triangle is forming 3 line segments. Yes or no? 3 line segments. If you extend the 3 lines, let me take this is one line segment, this is another line segment, this is another line segment. How the triangle is formed here?
Yeah. Got that, but why don't we take full angle? Like, why do we consider that
Only we
extra
are
line
taking
segments?
them. Because this part is a complete angle. We are taking as anywhere if you take anything, if you are taking like your version, I understood. Ma'am, why are you taking only one side? Why can't you are not taking another side, right?
Yeah,
That's your question. Yes. Why you are taking only this part? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
When we call it as exterior angle, what are interior and what are exterior? Interior means inside angles. Yes or no? Interior means inside angles. Exterior means outside angle. Which is exterior here? This part only exterior to this interior. Yes or no?
That's correct.
That's why we are taking
But also
only
the
that part.
opposite side can also be.
We cannot take that opposite because this is not exterior. If you take this as an exterior, this part will be missed. Only this complete this
We
part.
can take both of them. We can take both.
You
Why
are
don't we
asking
take both?
about complete this part
Yeah.
till here to
Except
here.
interior angle, why don't we take the both exterior angles?
We cannot take why? Because how triangle is forming, that's also more important, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Hari, I understood
I
your
was
part.
confused till now that how can a quadrilateral
Don't be
exterior angle
confused.
be 180
Don't think
degrees?
more. Don't think more. See here. Let me take with the colors so that you
got
can.
it right now.
See, ma'am, why we are taking only this part? Hari Karthik is question is as generally students got the same. Why you are taking only this part and this part and this part? Why you are not taking this part? Yes, your version is why you should not take this. Yes or no, Hari?
Yes, ma'am.
We should not take because we are how the
Ma'am, we should
triangle
not
is
take
formed.
down, ma'am, because it need to be 180 degrees.
That's okay. How triangle is forming? You just see this is one line segment. Yes, this is another line segment. This is one more line segment. So if anything,
Yes, ma'am.
we are
Each line
taking,
should be 180, no, ma'am. That's why we need
yes,
to
you are
choose
taking
upward.
anyway either cyclic where you are taking the triangles. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
interior. What angle you can take as an exterior? This part only. This is interior. What part you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
take as an exterior? What part you can take as an
Down.
exterior to make a straight? This part. This is interior. What part you are taking
Yes,
as an
ma'am.
exterior?
We are
Which part you
moving
are
it.
taking as an exterior?
Ma'am, we are taking the interior part to the right, to the other
Angle.
line.
It should form a straight, right?
Yes, ma'am. That is one thing, and we should take the interior
This is
angle
1
to the
plus
right
2
side.
makes you straight. This here 3 plus 4 makes you straight. Here, if I take this interior, which one I should take an exterior? Yeah, either this or this. This is 4. Suppose this is 5. Fifth angle you can take. Any figure, if you take any figure, children, not only triangle, I'm just showing. If you take any other
Ma'am, I
figures,
have
also
it out.
same.
Ma'am, I have it
Yes,
out.
please. Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
We took the 180 degrees from interior angle, no, ma'am. Fifth one. Why can't we
Here.
take it the opposite side?
We should
It's
not,
not
that
the
is opposite
slanting.
angle. Scrolling. Yes, which is an opposite angle. It's not a linear pair, right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Suppose if your doubt is, let me take with one more example. Suppose, ma'am, you can see here, if I'm taking this complete angle,
Yeah,
is it
yes,
forms a
ma'am.
linear pair? These two angles makes a linear pair?
No, ma'am.
And then how you can take?
Okay, ma'am.
It,
Okay, ma'am.
it also fulfill the properties of line. Line, it's a straight line means which makes straight angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
180
Straight
degree.
angle. Yes, ma'am. 180.
That's why we cannot. That's why we cannot.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Right. Right. Nothing there. There is a lots of conversation goes only. We will get this part. Your doubt is, ma'am, you are taking only this part. Why we cannot take this? If you pull this, if you make it
Yes,
as
ma'am.
this from here
We
to here,
cannot
it
take
forms a
down.
straight line. Did it forms a straight line?
No, ma'am. It
No.
doesn't.
No. You can rethink and do it, children. Nothing to wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we have to discuss, then only you can understand. Now, what are exterior angles? Did you understood, children? What is the point we are learning
Yes,
today?
ma'am.
Sum of
Sum of
exterior
exterior angles
in a polygon. In a
Okay.
polygon is how
Polygon.
much? How much?
Ma'am, like we should say the number.
Yes, what is the number? Sum of all
And
three.
for
Sum
square
of
it is. And for
it
triangle
is?
it is 3.
No. It's always for triangle,
Okay.
for a
Oh, okay, okay,
square,
okay.
for
Okay, ma'am.
rectangle, for anything, for quadrilateral, any polygon. General.
Okay,
That's
ma'am.
why we are using a word as a polygon. Sum of
Okay, ma'am.
exterior angles in a polygon should be equal to 360. How we can prove that is they mentioned there is a pictorially also we can do. Yes, it is true. Exterior angle. What is the measure of exterior angle here? Each exterior angle is 180 minus interior angle. Interior angle is nothing but, if you want interior angle means 180 minus exterior. Repeat this activity for the cases of regular octagons, regular 20-gons. What is the meaning of
20gon?
20?
Ma'am, what is 20gon? It is a shape, ma'am.
20-sided polygon. 20-sided polygon.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
That's why general formula you can build here. With the sum of polygons, exterior angles of a polygon should be equal to 180 degrees. Based on this, we have a beautiful questions, children. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose exterior angle is has measured 45 degrees. Regular polygon means what do you understood?
And the polygon
Regular
should be
polygon.
same.
What is the meaning of regular polygon, ma?
And the
What is the
angles on
meaning?
the side should be same. Then it is called as a regular polygon.
Regular polygon. So suppose anything, regular polygon, each interior angle is given. Each exterior angle measures 45 degrees. Whose exterior angle measures 45 degrees. Exterior angle means if you take an exterior angle, this is a 45 degrees. How many sides the polygon having? How many sides does the polygon having? But here I'm not taking as a 3. I should not take. We need to find out how many sides polygon. So what we should do, children? We know the formula. What do you know the formula?
Everybody.
Regular polygon, all interior angles, all exterior angles are same. Yes or no? All interior and exterior angles are same as well as exterior angles are same. Coming to here, each exterior angle is 45 degrees. Each exterior angle is 45 degrees. So total sum of all exterior angles 360. Each angle is 45. So if you divide, you will get 8. 8 is number of sides. 8 sides for regular polygon.
Octagon.
8 sides regular polygon. Name the 8 sides regular polygon.
Octagon.
Ma'am,
Huh.
it is a regular polygon.
Regular.
Polygon.
No, regular 8
Octagon.
sides. Regular.
Octagon.
Octagon.
Yes, correct, Nana. Octagon. Regular octagon. Right. So that's why they may ask you such a questions to children. You can find out and you can. The polygon has 8 sides. The name of the polygon is regular octagon. By looking only, you can answer this question. What is the first bit answer in exercise 3.2?
1 minute, ma'am.
125 plus 125, 250. 250 plus what angle makes you 360?
1 minute, ma'am.
250 plus what angle makes you 360?
110.
Very good. But for second one, please be bit. We will conclude today. Tomorrow we will complete with some other examples we will go with.
Okay, ma'am.
This exterior 90. 90 plus 60. This is 90 is here means outside also 90. 90 plus 90. 180. 180 plus 60.
180.
180 plus 60.
240.
240. 240 plus 70.
10.
310.
310.
310 plus what makes
50.
360? 50. Very good. That's
50.
all. Correct, children. Correct.
And
Yeah, Hari.
if we complete the all of this 8th grade portion at a faster rate and eventually we are completed with it, what would be doing at the end of the year?
So we are going with competency based questions, Hari. Because we are only this time rationalized syllabus, the part of completely reduced. So this stuff is not sufficient for foundation classes. Foundation means basic plus competency based questions. We will, the basic part once done means we will go with our foundation material.
Okay, ma'am.
Even you can go with the topper. Did everyone got topper subscription, free subscription, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So please
Ma'am, we
go through
got.
the questions. There are different levels of questions you have. You can please practice, come with your doubts regularly. Or else in the classroom, ma'am, we will do only that part means we can go with that.
Okay, ma'am.
We can go with that. All right, Hari, once we will complete the basic part, we will go with the questions from topper. Okay. Because this is not sufficient for you children, only basic part we are giving in the NCERT. NCERT book, if you are doing your concepts are very strengthened. Based on these concepts, how you can develop, how applications can be solved, that should be practiced.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye children, have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.